Hi, I'm Sarah with WTI. I have become a solar light fanatic these last couple years, and these beautiful solar swaying lights have become my favorite. My favorite thing about them is definitely the way they sway in the breeze. They look so elegant and beautiful. I put them in my hostas that lead to my driveway from my walkway, and they just give the entrance to my house a little beautiful glow as my guests are leaving. They also give a warm, homey feeling when I'm coming home after a long day. They came very nicely packaged in a set of 2 with easy to read and follow directions, and setup was a breeze. Turn on the switch, take off the solar protector, push in the yardstick, and you're ready to decorate your lawn or garden. I like the way I could spread out the individual leaves between my hosta leaves, and I also like that even though the solar panel was a little hidden in all the hosta leaves, it still got enough sunlight to last for hours. I also loved how durable these were. I've left them outside in thunderstorms and in the blazing sun, and they show no signs of stopping. So if you're looking to add a little beauty to your yard or garden, or just give your next outdoor event a little elegance, then you're going to love these swaying solar lights. And that's my point of view.